Guys, I am talking about something special about the Visa stocks. These stocks traded at this moment 361 US dollar. This stocks price here you can see in the last 5 days 0% return. These stocks give in the last 1 month return only 1% more than, but if you see the last 6 month return, which is 10% more than return approximately. Year to date return here these stocks give only 5%. These stocks give 1 year's return which is 7%. Hey, I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks. I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. In the last 5 years these stocks gave approximately 55%. Okay, how much return these stocks give you can see here. In the last whole return these stocks give approximately 2140, and you can think about 50% return these stocks give to investor. And always do your own research before investing. Follow for more US stocks breakdown.